DMHP म्हळ्यार डिस्ट्रिक्ट मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोग्रामा अंतर्गत दक्षिण गोंयांत संवसारीक मानसीक भलायकी दीस मनयलो। मडगांवच्या ऑस्पिसियो जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत मानसीक भलायकी दिसा निमतान जागृताय कार्यावळांनी प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडले।
Bhumi has gone to see the counselor, and just because she has, doesn't mean she's had a psycho or whatever other crazy things you've got to say to her. Counselor will help Bhumi deal with her emotions better. Oh, I see. I feel so bad for judging her. I mean, she just looked fine every time. Well, that's right. Looks can be deceiving. Just because she had a smile on her face didn't mean she wasn't suffering on the inside. I'm so sorry for being mean to you. It's okay, Aditi.
Bhumi, you were always smiling, so we thought you were fine.
I was smiling because I didn't want you guys to bring your moods down. I didn't want you guys to think that I'm crazy or mad. That's not true, Bhumi. We really love you.
And Bhumi, one more thing. I promise that I will never call you mad or psycho. I promise. Remember, Bhumi, you are stronger than you think.
I'm Dr. Shilpa Pandya. I would like to welcome you all to our mental health exhibition from South Goa District Hospital. We are doing this exhibition to showcase all the different streams that are available for helping in terms of mental health. Please do come and see this program. The message for today is be the smart one to understand that you need help, but more important is be the brave one to ask for help, because help is here, help is available. We all are here. You can come and see all the different streams coming together and showcasing how they can help you in mental health. This is just a beginning, but we hope that we get your support in this and we continue our mental health journey on this.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, नितीक्षा गांवकार आणि संगीता ओली।